Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Riddhi and you are watching Flavors and Fitness. So today we are preparing dahi vada, and over here we will prepare vada with two different methods. One is regular fried version and another is non-fried version. And as the recipe name suggests, dahi vada, we will be using chilled curd or a chilled dahi with this. So this recipe is perfect for your summer. So with that, now let's get started. To prepare dahi vada, we need to soak moong dal and urad dal overnight. Here I am taking 1 cup of urad dal, wash it 2 to 3 times and add water. Check water, it should be 1 each above the dal. This can serve 4 people, 1 cup of urad dal and 1 cup of moong dal. Now we will cover this and let it soak for overnight. In the same way, we will take 1 cup of moong dal, again wash it properly, soak it and cover it for overnight, and then we will proceed ahead once it's soaked well. If you need to prepare this for dinner, then you can do this procedure in the morning, as you need to soak both the dals for around 5 to 6 hours. That is good enough. See, this has turned out very nicely. दोनों दाल अच्छे से सोक हो गई है, फूल गई है. दोनों का पानी रिमूव कर दीजिए, वॉश कर लीजिए अच्छे से. एंड अभी दोनों को सेपरेटली ब्लेंड करना है. लेटर ऑन वी विल मिक्स इट, बट स्टिल दोनों को सेपरेटली ब्लेंड करना है क्योंकि दोनों दाल की कंसिस्टेंसी अलग बनती है. इसमें मैंने थोड़े ग्रीन चिलीज एंड जिंजर का एक टुकड़ा डाला है. दोनों दाल को बैचेस में ब्लेंड करना है एंड साथ साथ में हम लोग ग्रीन चिली एंड जिंजर डालते जाएंगे. आई हैव यूज 2 ग्रीन चिलीज एंड 1 इंच ऑफ जिंजर पीस. मैंने अभी तक सॉल्ट वगैरह नहीं डाला है. पहले सेम वे हम लोग ब्लेंड कर लेंगे. ज़्यादा पानी पहले से मत डालिए, वी विल एडजस्ट द कंसिस्टेंसी लेटर ऑन. दूसरे बैच में भी सेम वे वी विल पुट द दाल एंड वी विल ऐड चिली एंड जिंजर एंड ब्लेंड इट अगेन. In the same blender, we will again blend moong dal, and we will add chilies and ginger, and we will add little water to adjust the consistency and to get it blend well. Add into the same pan where we have put our urad dal. After blending it, we will add salt and little water to adjust the consistency. I have added 2 spoon of salt. अभी दोनों दाल को बहुत अच्छे से मिक्स कर लीजिए ताकि उसमें एरेशन भी आ जाए, जिससे बैटर सॉफ्ट एंड फ्लफ़ी हो जाएगा, एज वेल एज दोनों दाल अच्छे से मिक्स हो जाएगी. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी नीड टू पुट दिस मिक्सचर फॉर अराउंड 1 और 2 आवर्स फॉर रेस्टिंग. सी, आप देख सकते हैं बैटर अच्छे से मिक्स हो गया है, लाइट हो गया है, फ्लफ़ी हो गया है और उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ी सी रनी हो गई है. After 2 hours, now we will prepare vada with 2 different ways. First, we are preparing appe vada or non-fried vada. Here we will be taking appe pan and sprinkle a very little oil, and we will also check the batter consistency. It should be not too thin or not too thick. You can see while I'm putting. अगर आपका बैटर थोड़ा रनी हो जाता है तो यू कैन ऐड बेसन और चने का आटा टू बैलेंस द कंसिस्टेंसी. अभी सारे अपम पैन में हम लोग ये वड़ा का मिक्सचर डाल के उसको कवर करके 5 से 7 मिनट तक कुक होने देंगे. एंड देन लेटर ऑन वी विल चेंज द साइड. जस्ट स्प्रिंकल लिटिल ऑयल, नो नीड ऑफ इट ऑल्सो if you want to avoid that also. See, after 5 to 7 minutes वड़े कितने अच्छे से फूल गए हैं. Just change the side and cover it again and let it cook well. All over it will take somewhere around 10 to 12 minutes, and then you can make another batch. And this is ready. This is fluffy, yummy, delicious vada without any oil, almost nil oil. So here it goes. Next we will be preparing fried vada as our regular version. Hit the oil pan, add vada mixture and fry it. If you are comfortable, you can do it with hands also. Make it golden brown and you are good to go. Here to remove excess oil, what some people do is after vada gets cooled down, we will add into a little water, normal room temperature water, and let it be there for 5 minutes, and then we will squeeze out all the oil and water, so excess oil will get drained. So both the vadas are ready. Now we will prepare our masala dahi. Take approximately 500 gram of dahi, add 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of sugar, and around half spoon of roasted jeera powder. It will really bring out the good taste in this. Add very little water if needed, and to blend it well we will use the blender, so roasted jeera powder, sugar, everything gets properly mixed. And after the mixture gets ready, we will put it in the freeze for around 1 hour. So our all the ingredients are ready to assemble the dish. Now we will assemble both the vada dish and let's get started. As you can see, we have certain ingredients to assemble. We can also use green chutney and imliki chutney to make it a dahi vada chaat. We have used pomegranate seeds, anardana, roasted jeera powder, garam masala powder, lal mirchi powder. Then there is a green chili also. As per your spiciness, you can choose the ingredient. Desiccated coconut and salt. These are our fried vada, and we have also our appe vada ready now. For assembling, we will take both the vada in a plate. We will pour the dahi over it, and you can have it as per your choice. You can put all the masalas as per your choice. You can customize all the garnishing. You can also use the green chutney and red chutney to make it in the form of like a chart. So we will be adding salt, desiccated coconut, green chili, a little bit of garam masala and red chili powder, and anardana to top it up. And there it goes, our delightful recipe for summer is ready. Do try this at home, it turns out very delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and do hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.